Gymshark Affiliate Program Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the Gymshark Affiliate Program. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to gymshark.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you have no idea what is Gymshark, it is a fitness apparel and accessories brand that was founded in 2012, and the brand gained popularity through its focus on stylish and functional workout clothing, as well as its strong presence on social media and influencer marketing. However, we're not here to shop on this platform, but rather to earn money by joining the affiliate program of this Gymshark, in which by promoting this platform using our referral link or tracker links, we will be able to earn commission. And to do that, the next thing that we need to do is to go to this platform called RakutenAdvertising.com. And if you're wondering why this Rakuten Advertising, it is because it is a global digital advertising platform that connects brands and advertisers with publishers, influencers, and partners to facilitate effective marketing campaigns and drive business growth. So Rakuten Advertising offers a range of advertising solutions and services including affiliate marketing, display advertising, search marketing, influencer marketing, data insights, product listing ads, and many more. And now that we know the background info about Rakuten Advertising, we can now start register on this platform. And in order to do that, just click the Become a Publisher button on the top panel. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, including your company info, such as country, the legal entity type, your business name, tax form, or you could select or check these boxes if you are exempt from backup withholding. And aside from that, you're also required to enter your address, the city, your postal code, and your mobile number. And aside from that, below, you're also required to enter some of the information under the contact and account info, including your first name, last name, account email, and you could also select security question and answer. In addition, you are required to enter the login email and generate your own password with a minimum of 8 characters that contain number, uppercase letter, and special character. Now moving on, the next thing that you need to fill out is the primary website info, in which below, all you need to do is to enter your website name, your domain or URL, the date established, but that is just only optional, your primary business model, the number of unique visitors per month, the page views per month, and short description below here, and also select your primary category and your target audience, such as by gender or by age. Now moving on to the payment threshold, you could enter here the payment threshold that you receive monthly, and also select the language of your preferences. And after that, below here, you could also check these boxes that indicate that you agreed to the membership agreement and that you are also an 18 years old or above. Then after that, just proceed by clicking the Sign Me Up button below here. And upon signing up, the next thing that you need to do is to go back to this website, just click the login and proceed by clicking Affiliate Publisher. And after logging in, you will be directed on this dashboard or homepage of this website. And from here, you will see a lot of options that you can navigate on the top panel, including home, programs, links, reports, messages, my account, and portfolio. And under the home, you will see here the number of impressions, clicks, EPC, your amount of total sales, and number or balance of commissions. And now to join the affiliate program of Gymshark, you can see it under the programs, and when you click the categories, you will be able to see here some other kind of program or brands that you can join to their affiliate program. And the next thing that you need to do is to go to the search bar or advertiser search and proceed by entering Gymshark. And after that, just click enter and you will see the results below. And as you can see, we have here Gymshark from different kind of regions such as from Australia, Canada, France, UK, and even from US. And you can choose any of those brands depending on the source of your traffic. While on the right side panel, it will show you the details such as the commission rate, which is also varied depending on the region. But as you can see, the Gymshark UK and US offers a base commission of 4%, then the other regions of Gymshark, which offers a 0% base commission. And let's say I'm going to choose the Gymshark US. And to know more details about this program, just click this Gymshark US right here. And you will be directed on this page, in which on the right side panel, you can navigate some other information, including advertisers info, offers, coupon commissioning rules, the policies, and international capabilities and tracking option. Now under available offers right here, you can start applying to their affiliate program by clicking this apply button below here. Now aside from that, you could also navigate the policies or some of the things that you need to consider before applying to their affiliate program of Gymshark, such as these paid search policies, in which it will show you some of the things that are allowed to do and the things that are prohibited. You could also navigate here the advertiser's info to see some other information including website, the categories, the email address, and the contact name of this advertiser. And aside from that, under the link types, you will see here the number of links that you can use or the number of available links to promote this platform, Gymshark US. And as you can see here, we have 18 banners or images that you can use. And now to apply to affiliate program, just click this apply button, or alternatively, you can go back on this page and just click the apply button right here. And after that, it will show you that your application has now been submitted to Gymshark US. And all you need to do is to wait for their confirmation email that indicate if you are eligible to join to the affiliate program. However, you could also track your application by clicking under the programs and kindly select My Advertisers, in which below here, it will show you your approved application, the pending, the stop, and even declined application. So let's say your application has now been approved. The next thing that you need to do to promote the Gymshark US is to create or generate your own tracker links. And to do that, just click the links option and proceed by clicking Get Links, in which it will enable you to generate your own tracker links that you will use to promote the platform of Gymshark US. While in terms of payment of your commission, you could also select or set up your payment option under My Account and Payment Info, in which it will show you the payment history, advertiser payments history, transaction search, and inquiries. So that is just how you can join to Gymshark affiliate program. Thank you.